How to sign in to Justwork Employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to sign in into Justwork Employee account. Justwork is an comprehensive HR platform that makes it easy for employees to manage their payroll, benefits and more. So today we are going to log in into Justwork Employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open any preferred web browser on your computer or a mobile device. In the address bar, type in justwork.com and press enter. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the home page. On the login page, enter your email address associated with your Justwork account. Enter your Justwork password. If your company has two-factor authentication enabled, you may be prompted to enter the code sent to your phone or email. After entering your credentials and completing any necessary two-factor authentication, click on the login button. You will be directed to your Justwork dashboard where you can access your paid stubs, benefits, personal information, and more. If you have by chance forgotten your password or can't log in, click on the forgot password link on the login page and follow the instruction to reset it. If you encounter issues logging in, contact your HR department or Justwork support for assistance. And that's it. You have successfully signed in into your Justwork employee account. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.